Good morning, ma'am. My report is all about context diagram. So, what is a context diagram? A system context diagram or a context diagram are diagrams used in system design to represent all external entities that may interact with the system. This diagram pictures the systems at the center with more details of the system structure, surrounding by all its intersecting systems, environment, and activities the object of a system. Context diagram is not to focus on external factors and events that should be considered in developing a complete set of system requirements and constraints. These are the examples of context diagram. In the center is the process, where these are the external entities. These are the external entities where the external entities interact in the center, which is the process. Okay. System context diagram are related to data flow diagram and show the interaction between a system and other factors with actions between a system and other factors with which the system is designed to face. System context diagram can be helpful in understanding the context in which the system will be part of software engineering. Okay. So, what is a context diagram? Other description of context diagram is a context diagram is a data flow diagram with only one massive central process that subsumes everything inside the scope of the system. It shows how the system will receive and send the data flow to the external entities involved. Here's the theoretical example. Here are the external entity A and external entity B. These are the data flow X and the data flow Y, which is to the process of a whole. The external entity A is going to the process as a whole, then the data flow Y will go into the external entity B. For example, I will give an example. A hamburger A and a hamburger B. A decade or a year ago, Windows Restaurant had a wonderful series of television advertisements in which pleasant, reasonable seeming interviewer would present someone with two choices: a delicious-looking hamburger, a hamburger A, with from Wendy's, or a rather sad-looking hamburger B. Hamburger B from some anonymous competitor. Of course, the rational interviewer would choose hamburger A with hesitation. But what made the ads funny was the total absence of rational interviewee. For example, one interviewee chose hamburger B and explained that he had been raised to always be second best and not aspire to the best things in life. The set of the ads showed a variety of interviewees, each of them choosing hamburger B. Perhaps the funniest part of the ad was the astounded expression on the face of the interviewer. Well, ma'am, context diagram is used to simply determine the diagram of a system. It is shown how the system will work in the simplest form, in an understandable form. For example, is this diagram. These are the process, which this is the internal or external entities. That's all my report about context diagram. Thank you.